Adding a call queue into your call flow. We will make the assumption you have at least 2 seats and an active number within your control panel. To begin, navigate to Call Routing and Call Queues. Click the plus in the right-hand corner to start adding the call queue. Start by setting the 3-digit queue ID. If you require more than one queue, you have the ability to bulk add at this stage. On the General Settings page, you are required to set the maximum queue time and the maximum queue length. Similar to a call group, you can also set a timeout destination which can fall over to a mobile via an NTS. The next step is Members Settings. Here you are required to set a ring strategy that suits your needs along with a ring time. Ring time differs from the previous stage's queue length, as this relates to how long the extensions are ringing. Next, you can set rules which advise the caller of the average hold time and their queue position, announce periodic personal messages and also set an overflow message. Once done, click Next to confirm the details to finish the process of adding the call queue. Next we need to add the members to the queue. Begin by clicking on the queue's ID, and then click Members. Click the plus on the top right and then start adding members through the drop-down menu. After adding a member, you can set their penalty. Calls are sent to members with the lowest penalty first. Once you have confirmed the penalty, click Next to save the new member to the queue. Repeat this step as many times as needed to add your desired seats. Next we need to implement the new queue into your active call flow. Navigate to Call Routing and then Telephone Numbers. Click on your desired number, and change the destination drop-down to the newly added call queue, and hit Save to reply. You have now successfully added the call queue into the active call flow with immediate effect. Please remember to subscribe, like, and turn notifications on for future uploads. For any queries or further assistance, please contact support via phone on 01603 90 40 90 or via email at support@voicehost.co.uk.